How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add a text in your geometry dash level editor. Now, I'm going to add it on this level that I've just created recently. And basically, to add your own text, all you have to do is to navigate through this specific icon right here, which is going to be the categories for portals, orb, and more. Inside this page, you just want to scroll down until you find the large A icon. In here, you then want to find a spot on where you want to place your text. In my case, I'm going to be placing it this way. And then I'm also going to enlarge it by clicking on the scale option. And then let's enlarge the letter by adjusting its scale X and Y. Now to edit out your text, just click on the edit object option. It's going to be at the side of your screen, which is going to be this one. So just click on it. And basically from here, you can edit out your colors the way you want to. I'm going to make this into something like red color. And then you want to click on the text option. And of course in here, you then have the ability to customize your text the way you want to. So in my case, I'm going to put something like guide to everything. And then you can adjust its kerning. And of course, you just have to click on the OK button and you should be good to go. If you play out our level, it should go ahead and look something like this, which totally looks awesome. And basically, that's it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.